Hello, my dear listeners. I am glad you have joined me yet again for another lesson of Let's Learn Kikuyu with me, your teacher, Mariwa Magi. In this lesson, we are going to look at the forms of to be in the present simple tense. Let's get started. I am in Kikuyu is nie de, nie de. And to look at an example, I am late. In Kikuyu is nie de muserere. Nie de muserere. And when you say you are, in Kikuyu we say we. We. And to look at an example, you are clever. We muge. We muge. When you want to say he is, you will say wene. And to look at an example, he is tired. Wene monogu. I hope you have noticed that for personal pronoun, he and she remains the same in the Kikuyu language. So, she is remains wene. But for good measure, I throw in one more example for she is. So, to say she is hungry, you will say we nemohutu. When referring to it is, in Kikuyu you say yo ne. And an example, it is wet, you say yo ne jigo. When we say we are, in Kikuyu it is idue tue. And if you say idue tore, it is correct. To say we are late, you will say idue tue aserere. When referring to you are, and that is in plural, then it is inyue mwe. And if you say inyue more, it is also correct. The example we have here is you are tired. Inyue mwe anogu. When it comes to they are, then we say one. An example for this, they are healthy. Neagima. We have looked at various forms of being in the present simple tense, and from now we look at the negation of the same. We start. To deny the fact that you are late, then you will say nie dire muserere. And to refute the fact that the other person is clever, you will say we dori mogi. And to say he is not tired, you will say we timonogu. And if you say we dari monogu, it is also correct. She is not hungry. You will say we timohotu. And if you say we dali muhotu, it is also correct. To say something is not wet, then you will say yo tijigo. Yo tijigo. And if you say yo dirijigo, it is also correct. To say we are not late, idue totire acerere. Idue totire acerere. And to say you are not tired, you will say inyue motire anogu. Inyue motire anogu. And if you want to deny the fact that these people are healthy, then you will say o ti agima. O ti agima. And if you say o matire agima, it is still correct. Having looked at the forms of being and their negation in the present simple tense, we now lay our focus in making sentences to reflect some of these examples. And to say, she is not in the house. We dali theinie wa nyumba. We dali theinie wa nyumba. The cat and the dog are in the garden. Nyau na ngui ciĩ thĩinĩ wa mũgũnda. Nyau na ngui ciĩ thĩinĩ wa mũgũnda. The woman is behind a tree. Mũtumia thutha wa mũtĩ. Mũtumia thutha wa mũtĩ. I am the daughter of Margaret. Niĩ ndĩ mwarĩ wa Magi. Niĩ ndĩ mwarĩ wa Magi. Carol and Mercy are sisters. Carol na Mercy nĩ a nyina ũmwe. Carol na Mercy nĩ a nyina ũmwe. They are nice girls. O nĩ airĩtu ega. O nĩ airĩtu ega. If you state that something is in the color black, you will say yo nĩ njirũ. Yo nĩ njirũ. And if Mr. James is funny and nice, in Kikuyu you say Mũthuri ti James mathekania na nĩ mwega. Mũthuri ti James mathekania na nĩ mwega. And to state that he is a teacher, you say we nĩ mwarimũ. We nĩ mwarimũ. To say we are sleepy in Kikuyu, twĩna toro. Twĩna toro. To say the children are in the shop, you say ciana cirĩ thĩinĩ wa nduka. Ciana cirĩ thĩinĩ wa nduka. And last but not least, to say Mary and Esther are at school, you will say Mary na Esther marĩ thukuru. Mary na Esther marĩ thukuru. And you can still say Mary na Esther me thukuru. And on that note, we have come to the end of our lesson for now. I hope you enjoyed, and please remember to join me again for another lesson just like this one. From me, it's goodbye.